flooring is a popular choice for many homeowners due to its durability, versatility, and timeless appeal. However, like any other flooring material, wooden floors also require regular maintenance to keep them looking new and beautiful. In this article, we will share some tips and tricks to maintain your wooden flooring and keep it looking new for years to come. Keep it clean. The first step to maintaining your wooden flooring is to keep it clean. Regular sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping will help remove dirt, dust, and debris that can scratch or dull the surface of your wooden floors. Avoid using abrasive cleaning tools such as steel wool or scrub brushes, as they can damage the finish of your wooden floors. Protect it from moisture. Wooden floors are susceptible to moisture, which can cause warping, swelling, or cracking. To prevent damage to your wooden flooring, clean up spills immediately, and avoid using excessive water when mopping. Also, avoid placing potted plants directly on your wooden floors, as the moisture from the soil can seep through and damage the wood. Use protective pads. Furniture legs and other heavy objects can scratch or dent the surface of your wooden flooring. To prevent this, use protective pads under the legs of your furniture and other heavy objects. Felt or rubber pads are an excellent choice as they provide a cushioned barrier between the object and the floor. Avoid direct sunlight. Direct sunlight can cause your wooden flooring to fade and lose its luster. To prevent this, use curtains, blinds, or shades to block out the sun's harmful UV rays. You can also rearrange your furniture periodically to prevent uneven fading. Refinish when necessary. Over time, your wooden flooring may start to show signs of wear and tear, such as scratches, scuffs, or stains. When this happens, it may be time to refinish your floors. Refinishing involves sanding down the top layer of your wooden floors and applying a new coat of stain and finish. This will give your floors a fresh, new look and help prolong their lifespan. In conclusion, maintaining your wooden flooring requires regular cleaning, protection from moisture and sunlight, the use of protective pads, and occasional refinishing. By following these tips and tricks, you can keep your wooden flooring looking new and beautiful for years to come.